Welcome back to another Irish lesson, and today we will be doing a lesson which is very similar to what we did the other day. We're going to be looking at 10 filler phrases, I suppose. Well, they're not filler as in just like useless filling stuff, but they are things that we can add into a lot of different situations. Today we're focusing only on one theme, and that is opinions. So we're going to be looking at verbs and phrases to do with what you think and how you feel about something. Some of them are very short, just one word long, and others are a little bit more extensive, like a whole sentence. And as well as this, we didn't do this the last day. Well, I think we did it on one or two words. I gave you some examples, but we'll be looking at examples of putting these words into use for all of the words today. So let's get started. There are a few ways to say I think. So the first one, I'll be right. You can't really see this very clearly because we have some grey colours as well as black, but I'll be writing it out all for you again as usual. So the first one is doe-ee. Is doe-ee. Is doe-ee. Is I think. Is doe-ee. For example, is doe-ee go bhfuil an traein im-okht. Can you figure out what that sentence is? Train is like train. Is doe-ee go bhfuil an traein. I think that the train, go is like the that, joining the I think to the fact or the rest of the sentence. Is doe-ee go bhfuil an train. I think that the train is about to im-okht, to go. Is doe-ee go bhfuil an train im-okht. Next we have, well, this one isn't I think, but it's very similar. It's I suppose, but it can also be used as probably. Is dócha. Is dócha. For example, is dócha nach mor-awn deen-ee. Is dócha nach. Here we're using the future negative mor-awn deen-ee, a lot of people. So it's like saying I suppose or probably a lot of or not many people will come. Is dócha nach mor-awn deen-ee. And next we have khred-im. Khred-im can be I believe or I think. We can use it in both of those situations. And you can say kred-im go, like I believe or I think that. And for example, we can say ní khred-im hu. Ní khred-im hu. Ní khred-im hu. I don't believe you. Hu coming from to, but with the shay, it changes the pronunciation to a H. Ní khred-im hu. Don't believe you. Next up for thinking. The light is changing. I don't know, maybe it's the sun and the clouds, but I think I'm going to have to sit very close. Measaim. Measaim is I think. Measaim. For example, Measaim go bhfuil shay go hiontach. Measaim go bhfuil shay. I think that it is go hiontach. Wonderful. Measaim go bhfuil shay go hiontach. Measaim go bhfuil shay go hiontach. Wonderful or excellent. Next, for another way to say I think is Ceapaim. And we have the same example here. Ceapaim go bhfuil shay go hiontach. I think we're going to move because... Okay, so Ceapaim. Ceapaim, I think. Ceapaim go bhfuil shay go hiontach. I think that it is excellent. Ceapain too. Ceapain too. What do you think? Ceapaim go bhfuil shay go hiontach. Ceapain too. Next, when we want to talk about opinions, instead of just saying I think or I believe, im-okht. Im-okht is in my opinion. Im-okht. Turum is opinion. Im-okht in my opinion. And you can add a little bit more on. You can say, in my own personal opinion, im-okht far-sen-ta féin. Im-okht far-sen-ta féin. Far-sen-ta comes from phearsanta, personal, féin, own, or self. Im-okht far-sen-ta féin. Im-okht far-sen-ta féin. So you can start a sentence with this. Im-okht far-sen-ta féin. hiontach. In my own personal opinion, it's excellent. Another example in which we can use this is noe, which means of course. Noe is é seo mor-awn far-sen-ta féin. Is é seo, that is é seo, or this is mor-awn far-sen-ta féin. Noe is é seo mor-awn far-sen-ta féin. Another way to say, in my opinion, or like according to me, dar liom. Dar liom. It's a bit easier. Dar liom. Dar liom. Dar liom go bhfuil ceart a gut. Dar liom go bhfuil, I think, or in my opinion, ceart a gut. Go bhfuil ceart a gut. That you are right. Dar liom go bhfuil ceart a gut. Mar is oldich féin. Mar is oldich féin. Mar is oldich féin, as you know yourself. Mar is oldich féin, as you know yourself. And then we have two that are very similar, but they have actually the opposite meaning. So if you want to say to someone, well, this isn't really about opinions, but I just added it in here. If you want to say to someone that you're only joking, im-okht ag maga. im-okht ag maga. im is the negative, I'm not. Okh means but. So it sounds weird when translated directly to English, but I think you could still understand anyway if you were looking at the direct translation. Like, I'm not doing anything, only joking. I'm only but joking. im-okht ag maga, joking. im-okht ag maga. However, if you take out the okh, then it changes the meaning to quite the opposite. im-okht ag maga. I'm not joking. So it's like im-okht ag maga. im-okht ag maga. im-okht ag maga. im-okht ag maga. Okay. And then finally, one word which is very useful to know, cinse, which is certainly or absolutely. Certainly, absolutely. For example, if somebody says to you, tá sé far-sen-ta, it's cold today, you could say tá cinse, like it is, certainly. Tá sé far-sen-ta, tá cinse. Okay, let's review all of these very quickly. Is doe-ee liom, I think. Is doe-ee liom go bhfuil an train imeacht. I think that the train is about to go or to leave. About to, imeacht, leave. Is dócha, I suppose, or probably. Is dócha nach mórán deen-ee. Is dócha nach mórán deen-ee. Probably not many people will come. Creidim, I think, or I believe, khred-im. Ní khred-im who. I don't believe you. Ní khred-im who. Measaim, I think. Measaim. Measaim go bhfuil shay go hiontach. Measaim go bhfuil shay go hiontach. I think that it's excellent. Measaim go bhfuil shay go hiontach. Ceapaim, I think. Ceapaim go bhfuil shay go hiontach. Ceapaim go bhfuil shay go hiontach. Got a cheapann too. What do you think? Got a cheapann too. Ceapaim go bhfuil shay go hiontach. Got a cheapann too. im-okht, in my opinion, hoor-am far-sen-ta féin, in my own personal opinion. In my own personal opinion. Hoor-am far-sen-ta féin. Hoor-am far-sen-ta féin. Noe, of course, noe, is é seo hoor-am far-sen-ta féin. This is my own personal opinion. Noe, is é seo hoor-am far-sen-ta féin. Is é seo hoor-am far-sen-ta féin. Liom, in my opinion, liom go bhfuil ceart agat. Liom go bhfuil ceart agat. Mar is ó dit féin. Mar is ó dit féin. As you know yourself, mar is ó dit féin. Mar is ó dit féin. Níl mé ach ag maga. Níl mé ach ag maga. I'm only joking. Níl mé ach ag maga. I'm only joking. Níl mé ag maga. I'm not joking. Níl mé ag maga. Níl mé ag maga. Cínte, certainly. Cínte, cínte, cínte. Tá sé fuair aniu. Tá, cínte. It's cold today. It is, certainly. Tá sé fuair aniu. Tá, cínte. Okay, that's all we'll do today. We've done the 10 phrases about giving your opinions and different ways to say what you think or believe. In the next one of these, we'll be looking at 10 phrases to do with time. So talking about the future, talking about the present, and about the past. Just little phrases like nowadays. And of course, we still have to get back to the verbs as well in the present tense, which we will be doing very soon. So I'll see you next time.